How to share an editable design in Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you step by step how we can share a design of our own and make it so that people will be able to actually edit it accordingly. So they can just feel free to adjust it their own way, and it's actually going to affect the project that I have from my perspective as well, and then also from their perspective, obviously. So how do we do so or achieve this? First, you will need to just go ahead and go to projects and open up any project that you want to share and allow people to edit. So just go ahead and open up any design. I'm just going to use this one as an example. And then from here, what you need to do is first, let's just go ahead and zoom in a little bit just so we can actually see the differences after the edit specific stuff. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open up the share option on the top right. And in here is obviously where you would want to download and all of those things. But what we want to do really is just go ahead and change the collaboration link to anyone with the link. And then we can actually adjust whether they can view, comment, or edit. And if it's in the only you can access, then you only will be able to access it. So what we want to do is just go ahead and select anyone with the link. And then from here, we want to select can edit. Otherwise, they will only be able to view or they can only comment. But we want them to have the ability to edit our design. So just go ahead and click on can edit and then just copy the link. And then from here, just go ahead and share the link with the people that you want to have access to this design and edit it freely. Now, here's how it's going to work. So I'm just going to open up another browser here. And you can see I don't really have an account. Even for Canva, I don't really have an account on this browser. And I'm just going to open up the link. And it's just going to take me to the design directly. Now, once I open the design here, it's going to ask me to actually sign in or sign up if, they're just going to give me a random name as a guest, and I will be treated as a guest. Otherwise, I can also just log into my account. But yeah, it's completely up to you whether you want to do so or not. You have the ability to click on, let me just manage the cookies here and just, there you go. You will have the ability to actually, log into your account, and here you'll be able to download it and stuff. But most importantly, if we just zoom in a little bit here, we can actually start adjusting stuff. For example, I'm just going to delete this entire thing here and just completely remove it. Now, if we just go back here, automatically the changes will be saved. So anything that I do here or there is going to actually be saved. For example, this link here or text, is blue. I'm just going to make it red. And you can see here it's red. And if we just go back, it's also going to be red. And if I do just try to undo the thing that I just did, it's also going to return here. And you can actually view who managed to do the edits from there. Now, if I just go to share and actually just change it to only you can access, I believe this is going to kick them out. I actually have not tested it, so I'm not sure. So if I did make any changes, yeah, it's not going to allow me to do so anymore. And it's just not going to change. But yeah, this is pretty much how to do so. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.